So final progression here for your isometrics. Legs are in tabletop, pelvis stays in neutral throughout. You're gonna take both hands to both knees here. You're gonna inhale first, exhale, create that connection. Feel your abdominals activate even more as your hands press into both knees respectively. Pressing just enough to connect more into that core, not pushing as hard as you can. Hold that press for the entire part of your exhale. Inhale to take that tension off your hands. Exhale to reconnect. Start in tabletop with your core connected. Take your weight kind of about on a 45-degree angle back overhead. You're gonna see how this helps your rib cage and your abdominals connect into place. You're gonna hold your arms long there as you exhale. Reach one leg out on that 45-degree angle. Draw it back in with your breath. Exhale. Inhale to bring the knee back in. Continuing to march throughout. A bird dog exercise. So we're gonna inhale here, exhale, reach that leg back, let it float, and extend that arm nice and long. Again, reach through that heel, connect through your center, really pressing down with your grounded arm and knee to help keep you stable. Exhale to pull that back in. So again, inhaling here, exhale to reach that leg and that arm, lengthening long through your floating limbs, and really pressing and activating through your grounded limbs. Exhale to pull everything back in. Cool. So bear plank with a ball squeeze. You're gonna take a ball between your knees. You're gonna place your hands directly under your shoulders, knees right under your hips. You're gonna inhale to prepare, exhale, draw up and in through your abdominals. Float the knees up, gentle ball squeeze while you're performing this movement. I want you to think about a 50% connection around the ball, not like you're trying to pop it. Continue to breathe as you hold. Exhale to slowly lower and reset. So again, inhaling here, exhale, press up. 50% squeeze into the ball. Slowly lower down with control. For your incline plank, you're gonna start with your hands shoulder distance apart, weight back into your heels, holding here, breathing throughout, drawing up and in through your abdominals as you exhale. Inhale to release.